Good afternoon, friends. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken tandoori using Bajaj microwave 2016 MTBX. These are the controls of Bajaj microwave, and later I'm going to show you all how to cook fish using Bajaj microwave. So let's start. Place it properly in the between, right in the middle of this plate. And this is frozen chicken. First I have to defrost it for 2 minutes. So I've already selected on defrost mode, and I'll defrost it for 2 minutes. I've taken some butter to apply on chicken. First I have to defrost this butter in a microwave oven and then apply it on the chicken. So let's start. Defrosting of chicken is already done. You can see, I don't know, but I'll just open and show you. It's already done. Defrosting is already done. Now it's time to apply butter on it. So first we'll defrost this butter. Eight minutes have completed. Almost 8.5 minutes is completed. 1.5 minutes is remaining, and you can see the chicken is rotating. 10 minutes have completed. Let's remove chicken out. Yes, it's cooked. We'll turn the chicken upside down. Apply some butter.
Yummy!
It looks like it's cooked, but we want a little bit crispier on the other side too. So we'll apply some butter and we'll keep it for 5 minutes more. I have turned the chicken on the other side. Now I'm applying some butter. So make it a bit crispier. Now let's keep it. Now again for 5 minutes. You can see it's cooking. We'll wait for 5 minutes and I'll come back to you. Now our chicken is almost ready. In just 15 minutes. You can see timer is about to get cut. Wow. it is almost done. So we'll wait for some time, for a 15 minutes something to cool down, and then we'll serve it. This is a chicken tandoori leg which is prepared on the Bajaj microwave oven. So this is the side which we had turned. It looks very crispy. Yes, and the chicken is ready in just 15 minutes. In just 15 minutes, you can have chicken tandoori leg ready to eat in Bajaj microwave oven. A chicken tandoori leg is ready to eat. So this way you can cook chicken tandoori using any microwave oven, but you should know the timings and the temperature and the mode, cooking mode which you are going to use it, otherwise it will all mess up. Thank you for watching this video. Do visit again, and please